Welcome back to the roofing project. Not sure if you can tell, had that big tarp right there because it rained last night. It poured. Just as I was working to just as I was working to put some stuff on the roof. But in any case, I was happy I got the plywood. Whew, having a brain day. The plywood installed. So that was about the only thing I was able to do. But in addition to that, I was so happy I made my second trip to Home Depot. If you can see the color of the wood right there, I was able to put on the wood rot restorer and the wood filler. And fortunately, all of that stuff cured in less than an hour, which was super important because maybe about an hour after after the cure time had completed, it started pouring. So I'm so happy I don't have to do that work over again. I'm so happy everything was protected from that. And even though there were a few things got a little bit wet, that stuff's gonna dry out today. And I'm gonna continue on the work with putting on the tar paper, making sure that the drip edge is put on, and putting on the shingles. So want to complete the roof today. It's gonna be a hot one, so I'm expecting all that stuff to dry out. But that's where I am today. So again, a little bit of a setback yesterday. I ended up getting drenched, but fortunately all the work that I had started, it was not done in vain. So more to come. All right.